Baby Shark and the Rainbow Bridge. Hey my little artist friends! Today we have a super fun and colorful drawing to explore. So sit back, relax, and let's travel into a world full of colors. Are you ready? Let's go! One day, under the ocean, Baby Shark and Goldfish were looking for a new adventure. Suddenly, they saw something amazing! A magical rainbow bridge stretching between two fluffy blue clouds. Goldfish excitedly said, "Baby Shark, look! This rainbow bridge is so pretty! Let's slide down it!" Baby Shark laughed and said, "That sounds like a great idea. But maybe it has a magical secret too. Are you ready to explore?" The two friends happily slid down the rainbow. When they reached the bottom, they found themselves in a magical garden filled with golden seashells and sparkling starfish. Baby Shark gasped, "Wow! This place is like an underwater paradise. Maybe this is a reward for our bravery." Goldfish nodded. "You're right. Let's collect some seashells and bring them back to our friends." They explored the magical garden, gathered lots of beautiful shells, and swam home with big smiles. Now, Baby Shark and Goldfish are always searching for rainbows, hoping to discover new adventures. How cool is that? A rainbow! A magical garden! Kids, what do you think? That was a very nice story.
Joy they can't hide. Baby Shark and Goldfish, hooray! Adventures come their way each day. Colorful clouds and fun galore. Friends like them you'll just adore. Through the clouds they play and sing. Magic in the air they bring. Painting dreams in every hue. The world's more fun with me and you, Baby Shark.
Look what we have here! Let's meet our adorable characters. We have a cute little yellow shark who is happily sliding down the rainbow. He is so cute!
Every day there's
Look at his big happy smile. He has an open mouth. Baby Shark is not alone. Right beside him, there is a tiny, round, happy goldfish.
rainbow skies and stories to explore.
Yes, they're having fun. And our rainbow. A magical rainbow. It begins from one shiny blue cloud and lands into another.
Baby Shark and Goldfish, hooray!
Now, let's make our lines even darker.
Rainbow skies and stories to explore. These best friends will make you roar. No!
Baby shark swims with a smile. A goldfish follows all the while. Through the rainbow side by side. A world of fun, a magic ride. Baby shark and goldfish.
Look at our baby shark. It's time to color. His body is bright yellow with a soft white belly. Of course, yellow baby shark and white belly. Excellent!
Skies and fluffy clouds, laughing loud, they're so proud. Baby shark and goldfish, oh so bright.
has an open mouth with a red tongue and tiny white teeth. But don't worry, he's not scary at all. He's just a playful little shark having so much fun.
Dancing under the rainbow lights. Join their journey.
You remember Baby Shark's friend, huh? There is a tiny, round, happy goldfish. This little fish is completely orange. Yes, orange, with two big round eyes full of excitement.
Grab your crayons, it's time to play. Let your colors lead the way.
It looks like he's swimming towards the rainbow and enjoying this magical water slide.
Oh, so bright, dancing under the rainbow lights. Join their journey, everyone.
His tiny fins are spreading out, making it seem like he's flying. How adorable is that? Good job! Now let's talk about the fluffy blue clouds holding the rainbow. Yes, fluffy blue clouds. These clouds are bright blue and shiny. It looks like the rainbow was born from these clouds. So magical, right? Now it's time to color our magical rainbow. Yes, what color can we see in a rainbow? First, there's a soft pink. So sweet and lovely. Then comes a bright yellow, shining like a sun. Next is a fresh green, bringing nature's beauty into the picture. So, we've got pink, yellow, and green in a rainbow. Next, let's use our blue color. A beautiful blue. Ta-da! You did amazing! Now, let's add some shading. Kids, imagine being in a magical world where rainbows are giant slides and sea creatures can play on them. How fun would that be? Ta-da! We did it! Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell. See you soon!